Hey guys, thanks for dropping by. I just wanted to show you this product in person in case you're interested in buying it yourself later. This is a carrying case for your RayBan Meta smart glasses. It works for the Wayfarer, Headliner, and Skyler models. It also works for the new Oakley glasses. Let's unbox this together so I can show you what's included with the package. There is no instructional manual for this product. The carrying case is very durable and made of a hard-covered material. It would protect your glasses and charging cases from falls. To keep things secure, it also uses zippers. This is how the inside of the carrying case looks. It comes with a small lanyard to attach to your carrying case. There's also a small pocket here to store your accessories. I use it for my external batteries and my charging cords. The original RayBan charging case will fit perfectly in this slot here. The elastic band will keep the carrying case from moving around. The carrying case will also keep moisture out. This is a great product if you want to extend the life of your smart glasses. It's easy to use and it looks very stylish. And with the rugged hard case, you don't have to worry if your charging pouch or the glasses fall onto the floor.